If you don't want to see any ad when you use your phone to browse the internet and you are finding a solution, then you are on correct place. For this you need to download an app called AdGuard. You can download the app from the Play Store. The app you will download will be a free version, but you can even download a premium version AdGuard app. I have given the link for the premium version AdGuard app in the description. You can download it from there. So welcome guys to Stark Tech, and let's get started.
Cracking.